Again.
Stay with me.
How fast this one is going. Did you expect this one?
No, I didn't expect that. I just happened to see it. I was like, what is that? He was like, dude, look how fast he's going. It's going fast. I think it's going to reach 60. That's a new one.
Decent truck.
Yeah. Remember, we used to have one, you remember?
How slow he's going.
Oh, he's definitely slowing down, ain't he? We may get to, if he stops in between here, we may get to see the bone. I don't know. He's still got a lot of speed to slow down. Look, you'll see some sparks. You got some sparks coming up. Two pullers. I've got a UPS truck with the tires on it. Look at that. Amazon. Oh, we're gonna get to hear it, Colt. We're gonna get to hear it. We're gonna get to see it. Woo! That's full 18 wheeler. Look at that. All right, make sure you get on one of the cups when it booms.
Okay.
Try to stay on the cup. Wait. It's not like one of those down there, look.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right there.
Come back here.
Alright, bye guys.